What's up guys, it's JP from edgeautosport.com. Thanks so much for checking out the channel. We've got Project FC3 behind me, our 2017 Honda Civic Si. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell button, and any comments or questions that you have, make sure you put them below and we'll definitely get back to you right away. I've got a box with a little tiny part for our project today. It's from the guys over at Perrin, and it's a rear motor mount insert. So we're gonna take the stock rear motor mount, we're gonna put their urethane inserts into it, stiffen it up a little bit. This is an insanely easy install and insanely inexpensive part. I think it comes in at like 30 bucks on our website. Super clean, super easy, super effective part. And we're gonna get started on it right now, getting it on our car. Okay, as you can see, that was a pretty simple install. This is the rear motor mount. Just wanted to point it out one more time for you. The main purpose of that bushing is to prevent movement back and forth in the engine. Because it's transverse mount, anytime you get on the throttle, the engine is gonna twist front to back, and adding that extra reinforcement inside the bushing is gonna prevent it from moving back and forth. You will definitely feel this modification from inside the car. Okay guys, there we go. There's the rear motor mount insert install from Perrin. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Again, if you have any questions or comments, post them below. We'll get right back to you. And thank you for checking out Project FC3 once again. We'll see you guys next time.